Every year on March 21st, people around the world mark a special occasion that often goes unnoticed in the rush of daily life. We come together to celebrate World Forestry Day, a day dedicated to honoring the forests that sustain our planet and our lives. It's a day to appreciate the forests, often called Earth's lungs, because they absorb carbon dioxide and release the oxygen we breathe. Forests do so much more than just provide beauty and shade. They purify our air, filter our water, and keep our soil healthy. They are home to countless species of plants and animals, forming a web of life that supports us all. Yet these vital ecosystems face growing threats from deforestation, wildfires, and the impacts of climate change. World Forestry Day is more than a celebration. It's a global call to action, reminding us that we must protect and restore our forests before it's too late. Imagine a world without forests, silent, lifeless, and barren. The loss would be felt not just by wildlife, but by every person on Earth. But there is hope. As more people become aware of the importance of forests and take steps to make a difference. In schools, children learn about the wonders of trees and the role they play in our environment. Communities come together to plant saplings, restoring green spaces, and building a sense of stewardship for the land. Governments and organizations reflect on conservation strategies, creating policies and plans to ensure forests are protected for generations to come. Let's embrace this day as a chance to learn, share, and act. Our choices, big and small, shape the fate of forests and ultimately our own future. World Forestry Day is both a celebration of life and a powerful reminder of our responsibility. Each of us has a role to play in the ongoing story of protection and restoration. The fate of forests, and our own well-being, depends on the choices we make every day. Whether it's reducing paper waste, supporting sustainable products, or simply spreading awareness. Let us use this opportunity to learn more about forests, both near and far. Share stories of their beauty and importance with friends and family, and inspire others to join in the effort to protect our planet's lungs for future generations. The idea for a day to honor forests took root in 1971, when the Confederation of European Agriculture recognized a growing need to reconnect people with the natural world. At the time, rapid industrialization and urban expansion were causing many to lose touch with the forests that had sustained communities for generations. These early visionaries saw that forests were more than just resources. They were vital to the health of the planet and the well-being of all who lived on it. To bridge this disconnect, they chose March 21st, the first day of spring in the Northern Hemisphere, as a symbolic date to celebrate forests. This day marks renewal and growth, making it the perfect time to reflect on our relationship with nature and the importance of protecting it for future generations. In the years that followed, countries across Europe and beyond began to mark the day in their own unique ways. Some held tree planting ceremonies, while others organized educational events or community gatherings in local woodlands. But as the movement grew, it became clear that a unified message was needed to truly make an impact. That moment came in 2012, when the United Nations officially declared March 21st as the International Day of Forests. This global recognition elevated the cause, making forest protection a shared priority for people everywhere. With the UN's endorsement, the day became a powerful tool for raising awareness about the vital role forests play in our lives. It inspired people from all walks of life to learn about the threats facing forests and to take action to protect them. The International Day of Forests now serves as a global platform for education and action. It highlights urgent issues like deforestation, habitat loss, and climate change, while also celebrating the resilience of forests and the people working to restore them. Each year, the United Nations selects a new theme, shining a spotlight on different aspects of forests, such as their role in biodiversity, water cycles, or supporting local communities. These themes help us understand just how deeply forests are woven into the fabric of our daily lives. This annual recognition encourages governments, organizations, and communities to come together, share knowledge, and support innovative conservation efforts. It reminds us that protecting forests is a responsibility we all share. The day sparks a global conversation, inviting people from every corner of the world to share ideas, stories, and solutions for safeguarding our forests. We are reminded that the health of forests is deeply connected to our own well-being, uniting us in a common cause that transcends borders and cultures. The International Day of Forests emphasizes our shared responsibility to protect these precious ecosystems, not just for ourselves, but for all life on Earth. It encourages global collaboration, inspiring people everywhere to work together for a greener, more sustainable future. By uniting our efforts, we can protect our forests and ensure a healthy, thriving planet for generations yet to come. Forests are vital ecosystems, home to over 80% of land-based species. Losing a forest means losing countless forms of life, many undiscovered. Protecting forests is crucial for biodiversity and climate stability. Trees absorb carbon dioxide, helping to combat climate change. Forests act as sponges, soaking up pollution and stabilizing the climate. They prevent soil erosion, protect water supplies, and support agriculture. Forests provide clean water, food, and traditional medicines for billions. For indigenous communities, forests are homes, pharmacies, and cultural centers. Protecting forests is a matter of social justice and environmental necessity. Forests are essential for the livelihoods of many people worldwide. They offer food, fuel, and traditional medicines. Forests are more than resources. They are living systems vital for our planet. Protecting them ensures a sustainable future for all. Let us recognize the value of forests and work to preserve them. Our actions today will shape the world for future generations. In 2015, the world agreed on the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, for a better future. Forests are central to achieving these goals, especially SDG 13, Climate Action, and SDG 15, Life on Land. Protecting forests is crucial for climate stability and biodiversity. Forests contribute to other goals like zero hunger and clean water. Investing in forests is an investment in our health, economy, and future. Forests are not separate issues, they are core to a sustainable world. Achieving these goals requires sustainable forest management and restoration. Healthy forests support agriculture, clean water, and well-being. Let us prioritize forest protection for a sustainable future. Our collective efforts can create a world where nature and humanity thrive. Technology offers new ways to protect forests, with satellites monitoring deforestation in real time. AI helps detect forest health issues early, like wildfires and diseases. The Bond Challenge aims to restore 350 million hectares of degraded land by 2030. Restoration efforts focus on biodiversity and resilience, not just planting trees. Every tree planted is a victory for a healthier planet. Global goals and technology give hope for a new era of restoration. We can move from deforestation to restoration with collective action. Technology is a tool, but people drive real change on the ground. Let us embrace innovation and collaboration to protect our forests. Together, we can create a sustainable future for our planet. Our actions today will shape the world for future generations. Young people are a powerful force for change, demanding action for a healthy Earth. They lead climate strikes, conservation groups, and tree planting drives. Youth voices must be heard and supported in environmental decision-making. Programs like Roots and Shoots empower young people to take action. The passion of youth inspires us all to do more for the planet. They challenge us to prioritize long-term health over short-term profits. Young people are the guardians of tomorrow, leading the way for a sustainable future. Let us stand with them and work together to protect our forests. Their energy and determination are crucial for a thriving planet. Together, we can create a world where nature and humanity flourish. Forests offer countless gifts like clean air and water. Trees purify the air, absorbing pollutants and providing oxygen-rich air. Forests act as natural sponges, filtering water and preventing floods. They protect soil from erosion, supporting agriculture and preventing desertification. Forests provide resources like wood, food, and medicines. For many communities, forests are essential for survival and culture. These gifts are not limitless. We must use them sustainably. Protecting forests ensures a healthy planet for future generations. Let us appreciate and preserve the many gifts forests provide. Our actions today will shape the world for future generations. Forests are vital for our well-being and the planet's health. Let us work together to protect and restore these precious ecosystems. Our collective efforts can create a sustainable future for all. Together, we can ensure a thriving planet for generations to come. Protecting forests can feel overwhelming, but small actions make a big difference. Hope is about action, and each of us can take steps to protect trees. Make conscious choices about products, supporting sustainable practices. Reduce consumption to lessen pressure on forests and ecosystems. Connect with nature, teaching love for forests to future generations. Join conservation groups or volunteer for tree planting efforts. Use your voice to advocate for stronger forest protection laws. Support organizations working on conservation front lines. Our collective promise to trees can become a powerful global movement. Let us take action in our own lives to protect forests. Together, we can create a sustainable future for our planet. Our actions today will shape the world for future generations. Let us work together to protect and restore these precious ecosystems. Our collective efforts can create a sustainable future for all. Together, we can ensure a thriving planet for generations to come. We stand at a critical moment for our planet's future. The choices we make today will echo for generations, shaping the world our children and grandchildren inherit. Our environment is facing unprecedented challenges, but it is also brimming with hope if we act together. Forests are integral to our world's health and stability. They are the lungs of our planet, providing clean air, sheltering countless species, and regulating our climate. Without healthy forests, life as we know it would be impossible. Now is the time for decisive, collective action to protect them. Every voice matters, and every effort counts. When we unite, our impact multiplies, sending a powerful message that forests are worth fighting for. Governments must honor commitments and enforce forest protection laws. Strong policies and real accountability are essential to safeguard these vital ecosystems for the long term. Businesses should ensure their products don't contribute to deforestation. By choosing sustainable materials and transparent supply chains, companies can lead the way toward a greener future. Educators must inspire curiosity and stewardship in students. By teaching the value of forests, they nurture the next generation of environmental guardians and innovators. Every individual has the power to make a difference. Our daily choices, no matter how small, can help heal the planet and inspire others to join us. Plant trees, support conservation, and make sustainable choices. Simple actions, like reducing waste, reusing materials, and supporting eco-friendly initiatives, add up to real change. Let World Forestry Day be a turning point in our relationship with nature. Use this day to reflect, to act, and to inspire others to join the movement for a greener world. Together we can create a world where humanity and nature thrive side by side, in harmony and balance. Our actions today will shape the world for future generations. The legacy we leave behind depends on the choices we make right now. Let us work together to protect and restore these precious ecosystems. By coming together as communities, we can heal damaged lands and ensure forests flourish once more. Our collective efforts can create a sustainable future for all. When we act with purpose and compassion, we build a legacy of hope and resilience. Together, we can ensure a thriving planet for generations to come. Let us be the guardians of our forests and the champions of our planet. Let us protect our forests, the heart of our planet, and hope for our future. The time to act is now. Our world is counting on us.